My name is Sean Yarter, and this is my project for GSIN 5383, a spatial analysis of the electrical infrastructure in Houston, Texas. A significant part of my data has come from the Electric Information Administration website that has an interactive WebGIS that allows you to view each of the 50 states and see the major energy infrastructure such as gas plants and major pipelines. As you can see from the map, there's a massive amount of data for the energy infrastructure in Texas. Clicking on the facilities will allow you to view attributes like what type of commodity is being transported by the pipeline or which company owns the facilities. The main type of facilities I'm interested for my project is the gas power plants in the Houston area. As you can see by clicking on one of the gas plants, you can see the commodity being used as fuel, the number of megawatts produced yearly, the name of the utility, as well as other attributes. I have digitized these gas plants manually by finding the location on this WebGIS and then finding the location in ArcMap. As you can see, this is the location of the gas plants throughout the Houston area, and you can see that there is a clustering of the gas plants around the Pasadena and LaPorte area. Once I have gathered all the gas plant locations and also added the attribute for the yearly megawatt output, I can conduct a point density overlay and find the areas with the most clustering of high megawatt output. One of the next steps of this project uses the tax parcels for Harris County, Texas, which can be gathered online for free. The tax parcels have been spatially joined to an enumeration unit that is the 200-foot grid. As you can see, the spatial join shows that there's a clustering of high population or high parcels toward the center of the county, with some low, sparsely populated areas around the edges of the county. Once the point density operation has been completed and the spatial join operation completed, I can overlay these two layers for further analysis. I can also use the Feature to Point tool to create a point layer that shows a point at the centroid of each one of the grid polygons. The goal of the project is to find areas that have a high population but a low energy capacity. By analyzing the two layers together, I can find the areas where a new energy infrastructure may be required, such as a new substation.